Welcome back to my channel. Traveling with medical marijuana or edibles can be a complex issue due to varying laws and regulations in different jurisdictions. Here's what airline customers need to know. First, let's talk about legal considerations. Marijuana remains illegal under federal law in the United States, but several states have legalized it for medical or recreational use. International travelers should be aware that marijuana possession and use may be illegal or restricted in other countries, including those with more stringent drug laws. Next, let's discuss airline policies. Airlines may have specific policies regarding the transportation of marijuana or cannabis-related products. Most airlines prohibit the possession and use of marijuana, including medical marijuana, on board their aircraft and within airport facilities. Transportation Security Administration, or TSA guidelines. The TSA's primary focus is on security threats, and its agents are not actively searching for drugs or enforcing drug laws. However, if TSA agents discover marijuana or cannabis products during security screening, they are required to notify law enforcement. It's important to note that the TSA does not explicitly search for marijuana or cannabis products, but if discovered during routine screening, it may lead to further action by law enforcement authorities. Medical marijuana cards. In some states, individuals with valid medical marijuana cards are allowed to possess and use marijuana for medicinal purposes. Travelers with medical marijuana cards should research the laws and regulations of their destination and any transit points to ensure compliance. It's crucial to be well informed to avoid any complications during your travels. Risks and consequences. Traveling with marijuana or cannabis products, even if legal in the departure and destination locations, carries inherent risks. Possession of marijuana in an airport or on board an aircraft may result in confiscation, fines, or legal action, depending on the jurisdiction. Being aware of these potential outcomes is essential for anyone considering traveling with these substances. For travelers who rely on medical marijuana for treatment, it might be necessary to explore alternative options. One could start by investigating local laws and regulations at their destination to determine if medical marijuana is available. Another prudent step is consulting with a healthcare provider to explore alternative medications or treatment options for the duration of the trip. If a traveler chooses to bring medical marijuana or cannabis-related products, they should exercise discretion and avoid drawing attention to themselves. It's advisable to keep medical marijuana securely packaged and stored in carry-on luggage to minimize the risk of detection. Travelers should consult the laws and regulations of their departure and destination locations, as well as any transit points, to ensure compliance with local laws. The National Conference of State Legislatures provides information on marijuana laws by state, which can help travelers understand the legal landscape. Recently, there was a passenger forced to deplane and take a flight 24 hours later because he chose to eat edibles while waiting at the gate as well as while on board the flight. He had to be escorted off of the plane and was considered as someone under the influence. Overall, travelers should carefully consider the risks and legal implications before attempting to travel with medical marijuana or cannabis-related products and explore alternative options as needed.